Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious banana bread with eggs. We'll start by gathering our essential ingredients. You'll need about 3 to 4 very ripe bananas, 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of melted butter, 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, and 1 cup of granulated sugar. Having all your ingredients at room temperature ensures a perfectly smooth and well-combined batter. Let's get baking. Now, let's get to mixing. First, mash your 3 to 4 ripe bananas in a large bowl until mostly smooth. Then, whisk in your 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of melted butter, and 1 cup of granulated sugar until well blended. In a separate bowl, combine 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Gently fold the dry ingredients into the wet mixture, mixing only until just combined to avoid overworking the batter. It's time to bake our banana bread. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Prepare a 9 by 5 inch loaf pan by greasing it lightly or lining it with parchment paper. Carefully pour your delicious batter into the prepared pan, spreading it evenly. Bake for approximately 55 to 65 minutes. To check for doneness, insert a toothpick into the center of the loaf. If it comes out clean, your banana bread is perfectly baked and ready. Once your banana bread is out of the oven, the aroma is incredible. Let it cool in the loaf pan for about 10 minutes. This allows the bread to set and makes it easier to remove. After 10 minutes, carefully transfer the loaf to a wire rack to cool completely. Cooling fully is crucial for the best texture, preventing a gummy interior when sliced. Once cool, slice into generous pieces and enjoy your warm, comforting, homemade banana bread.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.